Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a rhinoceros. Let's start off by drawing a line going up at an angle like so, followed by a line going down and curving to the right like so for the ear. For the head, start here and go down at an angle. Then curve down and back up to the right. At the top, draw a big bump for the shoulder that curves back up like this. Then, extend that line with a big curve downward for the back of the leg. For the thigh, start here and go down. Then, make a turn to the right like so. And curve back down with a sharp turn to the right to make a flat bottom. And turn back up to the end of this line here. From the chin, extend the line and quickly curve back down towards the right. Add a small bump here for some of the muscle, then slightly to the left and down to a flat bottom for the foot. From here, draw a line going back up to the body like this. For the belly, draw a wide curve going up to the back leg here. For the legs on the other side, draw similar shapes just behind. They don't have to match exactly. In fact, making them slightly different makes it look more realistic. For the horn, draw a line that curves out and up on the nose, followed by a tight turn and flaring out a bit on the way back down. And slightly further up, do that one more time but smaller. A curve out and up, a tight turn, and flaring out back down. Draw a dot on the head for the eye, a line on the snout here for the mouth, and another wider dot just above it for the nostril. Lastly, draw a line coming down off the back and curving back up like so for the tail. Rhinos have really thick, padded skin that acts like armor. To add some detail to the skin, we can add some very thin, slightly curved lines here on the neck, just below the shoulder, a few around the belly, on the back of the thigh, and a few around the knees. Lastly, draw some arches on the feet like so for the toes. And now you've got a rhinoceros!